What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be working with the company ISHOW Hair. Jumping right in, they sent me a wig cap, ISHOW hair brochure with tips and tricks and some coupons. I also got a bag with 180 density and 30 inches. This is the wig. This is their Ginger Body Wave 13x4 frontal. It did come with an adjustable elastic band and adjustable straps in the back. Also 3 combs, and this is HD lace. I just wanted to show you guys up close. Jumping right in, I did go ahead and cut off my little ear tabs and pull out my little sideburns. Now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor and cut off my excess lace, starting from one side and then working my way to the other. I did end up messing up my little razor comb, so I had to go in with my scissors and cut. When you go in with your scissors, as long as you are cutting diagonally or in a zigzag motion, it'll be fine and it doesn't look as harsh as just cutting in a straight line like so. So once we get that cut off, we're going to go in with our Eben lace spray, and this is just a self-adhesive lace spray that you can buy from your local beauty supply store. I forgot to show you guys the product or the can, my apologies. But as you guys can see, I'm just putting a little bit on my ear tabs right in front of my hairline. Nothing too crazy. Since this is just an adhesive hairspray, this comes off with water. Once we're done, I'm going to use my Songbird blow dryer until that is nice and tacky, and then we're going to lay that down like so and put some makeup on top just to blend all of that in, and then we're going to repeat the same process on the other side until everything is adhered down perfectly. To color match the lace, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Super Stray powder, and I'm going to be putting that on the excess lace as soon as I get through using my Eben lace spray with my blow dryer. As you guys can see, when I'm putting the spray on the lace, it's doing a good job with it blending in, but with this being a transparent or HD lace, you could still see the lace, which is fine. That is the whole purpose of the makeup. Once I get through blow drying this and make sure everything is adhered down, I'm going to go in with that pressed powder that I just showed you guys, and we're going to put that on top just to blend everything out and make sure we don't see the lace line. You can take your time with this. This doesn't require a whole bunch of makeup. As you guys can see what difference the makeup made once we popped it into the lace. Now we're going to repeat the same steps that I did on the left side on the right and make sure all that is down, and then once that's done, we're going to tie this down and get into some little baby hairs and style. Next, I'm going to go in with my Remy wax stick, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. I'm just going to run that all across the perimeter of my hairline and down my parts. Now I'm going to take my hot comb and press everything out. You want to make sure everything is nice and flat. We want it to look like scalp and nothing else. So that hot comb is going to be your best friend. Don't burn yourself trying to move too fast. Just make sure you just take your time and you're evenly spreading it across all over, getting everything as flat as possible. A flat wig is a key to a bomb install. So, like I said, press everything out. I'm going to run my hot comb over my little baby hairs that I'm pulling out from my sideburns. Then we are going to go in with my Kaposi straightener and get ready to lay everything down in style. Once that's done, I'm going to tie everything down with an elastic band, and while that is tying down, I'm going to go with my Conair 1-inch wand curler, and I have this on the highest setting at 30, I believe the number 30, and I'm just going to speed this process up. But I just did some loose beach wave wand curl looking curl, something cute and quick. I just left the curls on the barrel for maybe like 5 seconds and then undid them. I did speed this up just for the sake of the video because this was a little process with this being 30 inches of hair. But you know, we're going to make it do what it do. Now, I am curling away and towards my face just in different random selections. It doesn't really matter because I wanted a messy beach wave kind of look. I didn't really have a strategy when I was curling. Now, I'm also going to go in and seal these curls with some Sebastian Fix Plus holding spray, as you guys can see, and I got that from my local drugstore. You can go for a CVS or a Walgreens. I do believe they both sell those. Once that is done, I'm going to go back in and we're going to finish curling up one side, and then I'm going to come back with the finished styled look. We'll get into these little baby hairs, and then that will be the completed look. This is what the lace is giving once we are done styling. Everything is definitely giving scalp. Of course, you see a little bit of the even spray left over. That is fine. Don't be, don't be worried. You can just get that off with like a little moist rag or a baby wipe. I am going to go in with my hot comb just to press everything out one more time to make sure everything is nice and flat like so. Once you get the liking of your hairline and your curls, don't brush out through them too much or curl out or comb them out too much. Take your time. And I'm just defining my hairline, making it all nice and neat. Since I did a no baby hair look, I wanted it to look as sleek as possible. It's very much giving scalp. I'm super in love with this hair. The color looks amazing, and this transparent or HD lace is definitely given. I know you guys can kind of see it on that corner right there, but thank God that's where my bang was and you didn't really see that anyway. Now I'm going to go in with my Kaposi mini straightener, and I'm just going to pre-curl my little sideburns. Once that is done, we're going to lay those down with a little bit of setting foam, and that will be the completed look. Okay, I'm going to pop in this Maybelline Super Stay foundation, and I'm going to pop that into my part like so, just so it's nice and defined. Once that is done, that will be the completed look. Get into it, get into it. And I am going to show you guys the full length of this hair. I am 5 foot tall, and this is 30 inches, and it is definitely given length and body. Okay, this hair came all the way to my waist, I think, even with it still waved up like this. But look how cute and loose those curls look. It's definitely giving beach vibes, little loose wand curl, loose body wave, super natural, super cute, and I love it. Get into that side profile, honey. Don't play with me. Ew, what Santana say? Baby, this ain't orange, this is peach. But no, this is orange. Again, this is ISHOW hair. This is their 30-inch body wave 13 by 4 transparent lace. This is their ginger slash 613 custom colored unit. It did come pre-plucked. All I had to do was bleach the knots off camera and install like so. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I think this style is really, really cute. The color looked really well with my skin complexion. Everything was just giving, okay? So, let me know what you guys think. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell for when you get a post notifications for when I drop. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Hypnotic Lady. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Mwah.